On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Jeez. Yeah.
Let's do a little exploring with the golf cart. Take my Harley out, brother. Saw a golf ball when I was mowing over here. See if I can find it. People must be doing that on purpose. Is it Wes? There it is. Who's doing that, huh? Let's go check out the construction for Sunshine Parkway. Never did get your bike back, huh?
No.
Damn.
Nope. Got this off my buddy. My truck broke down the other day.
Oh man, again?
Again. First it was the gas tank, then the alternator. Yeah.
Can't win, huh?
No, I gotta depart. I've been taking this thing to the store, pulling over every shady tree I can find.
Oh, forget it, yeah.
You know what I mean? Bring plenty of water.
Hey, I'm just coming to check out the construction.
Yeah, I'll find another shady tree.
That's right, it's hot. Busy. Got the pilings in. Do a little drone video here. Hot one today. Already got a lot done. Holy mackerel. That's crazy. It's almost to the power lines now. There's the power lines. Let's get a little loop and come back. 35 miles an hour roughly. We're up at 340 feet. About 5,000 something feet away, about a mile. There's where we are. The big H, which I don't know if I'm recording the goggles part, but that's us. Power line crosses. I don't want to get too low. Follow this out a little bit. Windy. There's the other bridge that's going to go in. Bike path coming back around that loop. There's the other one. I can't remember the name of that road. Back, running out of battery. We are going home. Glad the wind's behind us on this one. Busy, 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 huh? Holy mackerel. I think I hear it. retention pond right there. Slid right off the roof. Take the trail all the way over to the other side. Summerwind Road. I'll take the other trail. Wow, that's closed off from leaning over trees. This is why I gotta get my bush hog fixed so I can maintain this trail. Looks like a big femur or something. Woo! It is a hot one today. How hot? 91. Well, that was fun. Thanks for riding along, boys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.